Everybody keeps calling Genspark AI the next big AI workspace. But here's the problem. A lot of people are paying for AI tools right now without understanding what they actually need. Then, a month later, they realize they're barely using half the features. So before you spend money on Genspark AI, here's the honest review nobody's giving you. First, what even is Genspark AI? It's basically an all-in-one AI workspace. You can do research, generate slides, write documents, build pages, create content, use AI agents, and even automate tasks inside one platform. The main thing that makes it different is the Super Agent system. Instead of acting like a normal chatbot, Genspark tries to complete multi-step tasks automatically using different AI models together. And honestly, that part is actually impressive. For example, you can ask it to research a topic, summarize information, create a presentation, and organize everything into one workflow. That saves real time for business owners, agencies, and startup teams. Another feature people like is Spark pages. Instead of dumping links like Google, Genspark creates structured pages with summaries, media, citations, and organized research. For research-heavy work, that's useful. Now let's talk about the real issue nobody mentions enough: credits. This is where many users get frustrated. A lot of advanced actions burn through credits quickly, especially AI slides, websites, videos, or automation tasks. Some reviewers specifically complained about confusing pricing and credits disappearing faster than expected. That's important because at first the pricing feels reasonable, until you start doing serious work regularly. And here's another thing. Genspark tries to do everything. Writing, research, automation, presentations, pages, agents. That sounds great, but sometimes it also feels overwhelming. Some tools inside the platform are good. Others feel weaker compared to specialized competitors. Even reviewers noted that certain features don't outperform dedicated apps like Canva or Lovable. So who should actually use Genspark AI? If you're a researcher, agency owner, startup founder, productivity-heavy user, or someone replacing multiple AI tools, then Genspark AI can genuinely save time. But if you only need simple AI writing, basic chatbot help, or occasional content creation, honestly, it might be overkill. Here's the honest verdict. Genspark AI is powerful, probably more powerful than most people expect. But the value only makes sense if you actually use the advanced workflows consistently. Otherwise, you're paying for features you'll barely touch. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.